What is a good habit for brain health? Getting enough sleep. What is the main function of the liver in the body? Cleaning the blood. What mineral is important for strong bones? Calcium. Which activity is best for your heart health? Regular walking. What helps the stomach break down food? Digestive acid. Which part of the body is responsible for vision? The eye. What gas do your lungs take in when you breathe? Oxygen. What is the main job of the bladder? Storing urine. What nutrient helps with cell growth in the body? Protein. What is a key sign that your immune system is working? Fighting a cold. Which food is rich in vitamin C to help fight sickness? Oranges. What part of the body connects muscles to bones? Tendons. What is the body's main source of quick energy? Carbohydrates. Which simple habit prevents the spread of germs? Washing your hands. What is the benefit of a full night's sleep? Better focus. What is the main job of the outer skin layer? Protection. What is the basic building block of the human body? Cells. Which organ produces bile to help with fat digestion? Liver. What is the body's largest internal organ? Liver. Which organ is protected by the rib cage? Lungs. Which two organs are most protected by the skull? Brain and pituitary gland. Where is the pancreas located in the body? Behind the stomach. What are the tiny tubes that carry blood through the body? Capillaries. Where does the first part of food digestion begin? The mouth. What is one sign that your kidneys might need more water? Dark yellow urine. What is the primary role of the windpipe or trachea? Carrying air to the lungs. Which is the body's main way to cool down in hot weather? Sweating. Which device is used to check your heart rate? Stethoscope. What are the four basic tastes the tongue can sense? Sweet, sour, salty, bitter. What color is the liquid part of the blood, plasma? Yellow. What gives red blood cells their color? Hemoglobin. What hormone controls blood sugar? Insulin. Which doctor specializes in problems with the bones? Orthopedist. Which doctor focuses on problems with the skin? Dermatologist. Which doctor focuses on children's health? Pediatrician. Which doctor helps with eye problems and vision? Ophthalmologist. What is the medical term for the skull? Cranium. Which blood type is called the universal donor? O negative. Which type of food is the best source of fiber? Whole grains. Which simple food swap can reduce sugar intake? Water instead of soda.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.